and this divided by probability of C. Okay, so this can be written as probability of A intersection C divided by probability of C plus probability of B intersection C divided by probability of C minus probability of A intersection B intersection C divided by probability of C. Then probability of A intersection C by probability of C, this is the conditional probability A by C. Then plus probability of B intersection C by probability of C means probability of B by C minus probability of A intersection B by C. So this is the right hand side.
So,
Yes.
so can you explain the first steps of what you have done, sir?
This is probability of A union B by C like probability of A by B. A or A means A union B and B means C. Just use the definition of conditional probability. So the we know that probability of A by B equals to probability of, we know this probability of A by B, this equals to probability of A intersection B divided by probability of B using this. So this is probability of A intersection B means A union B intersection C divided by probability of C, right?
Got it, sir.
Then yes. See the next question. It's question number 45 of 2.4. The population of a particular country consists of three ethnic groups. Each individual belongs to one of the four major blood groups. The accompanying joint probability table gives the proportions of individuals in the various ethnic group blood group combinations. So this table shows the proportions of individuals in the various ethnic group and blood group combination. The population of a particular country consists of three ethnic groups, that is group 1, 2 and 3. Each individual belongs to one of the four major blood groups, O, A, B and AB. Okay. So suppose we are, if we examine one individual randomly, then he can from either ethnic group 1 or from ethnic group 2 or ethnic group 3. Okay. Or he belongs to blood group O or A, B or AB, a particular individual. So these proportions are given in this table. In the table, group 1, 2 and 3 and O, A, B, AB, this is blood group. So this values actually the probability. Okay, 0.082, 0.106, these are the probability. So suppose 0.082, what is the meaning of 0.082 here? 0.082 means the probability that an individual is from ethnic group 1 and having blood group O. The probability is 0.082, right? Similarly, if we See this 0.020 last value in the table 0.020. So this is the intersection of 3 and AB. So the probability of individual from ethnic group 3 and having a blood group AB probability is 0.020. Okay. And now suppose that an individual is randomly selected from the population and define events. And we define the three events A, B, and C. A means type A selected. Type A means the blood group A selected. B means type B selected, means blood group B selected. C means ethnic group 3 selected. Ethnic group 3 selected means the individual is from group 3, the event C. Okay. So we define three events A, B, and C. A means blood group A, B means blood groups B, and C means ethnic group 3. That is the individual from the group 3. Okay. Now we have to calculate this probability in this from A to E part A, B, and C. So first part A, calculate probability of A, probability of C, and probability of A intersection C. So from this table, see this table, okay, and also see this event A, B, and C, what they represent A, B, and C. Then tell me what is probability of A from this table.
So 0.447.
Yes, 0.447. Okay. And what is probability of C?
0.03. Oh, probability of C.
Point
Sorry, sorry. I'm wrong.
point
What is probability of C?
0.5.
0.5. Yes. So how to find this? So probability of A. A means here A is the event the blood group A selected. Okay. So if the blood group, that is the person from belongs to blood group A. So blood group A means he may be from ethnic group 1 or 2 or 3. So if the blood group A and is from group 1, the probability is 0.106, and from group 2 the probability is 0.41, and from 3 the probability is 0.20. So there are three possibilities here for blood group A. That is, he may be from group 1, group 2, or group 3. So this probability is probability of A equals to the sum of all these values in the second column, that is A column, 0.106 plus 0.141 plus 0.200, that is 0.447. Okay. Similarly, probability of C. So probability of C is the event that is from ethnic group 3 selected, means ethnic group 3. Okay. So if he is ethnic group 3, he may belong to blood group O or A or blood group B or blood group AB. So there are four possibilities. And for these four possibilities, the probability is 0.215 plus 0.200 plus 0.065 plus 0.020. Okay. So this is 0.500, 0.5. And what is probability of A intersection C?
0.20.
0.2.
Yes, 0.2. Probability of A intersection C means A and the event C. Event A and the event C. A means the blood group A, and C means group from ethnic group 3. So ethnic group 3 and blood group A. This intersection point is 0.2 value. This is 0.2 probability of A intersection C. Next, part B, calculate both probability of A by C and probability of C by A, and explain in context what each of these probabilities represents. Okay. First, you have to calculate this probability of A by C and probability of C by A, and then you have to write this probability in words, what they represents. Okay.
0.4 and 0.447.
Yes. Probability A by C. So how to calculate this probability A by C? Probability A, just use the definition of conditional probability. Probability of A by C equals to probability of A intersection C divided by probability of C. And we have already found this probability of A intersection C is 0.2, probability of C is 0.5, so this is 0.4. And probability of C by A, that is probability of C intersection A divided by probability of A, that is 0.2 by 0.447, that is 0.447. And what this is indicates a probability of A by C. So this is conditional probability. Probability of A by C means C has already happened. Then what is the probability of A? Okay. So that this means that if if an individual is from ethnic group 3, if it is given that the individual has from ethnic group 3, then what is the probability that his blood group is A? He belongs to the blood group A. This is the meaning of probability of A by C. So probability of A by C equals to 0.4 means if it is known that he is from ethnic group 3, then the probability that he belongs to the A blood group is 0.4. Similarly, you can say regarding this probability of C by A. So next part C, if the selected individual does not have type B blood, then what is the probability that he or she is from ethnic group 1? If the selected individual does not have type B blood, then what is the probability that he or she is from ethnic group 1? Can you say what probability you have to find here? Probability of what? What is the
Sir,
probability?
B dash
sir,
intersection
probability of
1.
D group not included.
Yes. So it is
In
given.
at group 1.
Yes. So selected individual does not have type B blood. So it is given that selected individual does not have type B blood means B complement. It is given. Okay. So B complement has already happened. Then what is the probability that he or she is from ethnic group 1? And what is the probability that? So probability that he or she is from ethnic group 1, it is given that B does not happen. Okay. So can you say from this table, what is the value then?
So 0.192.
No.
0.192. 19.
Yes, if you find this and that is the intersection, then this is the your answer. Okay. But if you have to find here actually this conditional probability. Okay. It is given that selected individual does not have type B blood. Then what is the probability that he or she is from ethnic group 1?
0.211.
Is 0.211. So you have to find that probability that he or she is from ethnic group 1. It is given that B does not happen. So if we present this probability that he or she is from ethnic group 1 by D, then you have to find the probability of D by B complement. Okay. Probability of D by B complement. This is if D is the ethnic group 1 is selected, that is you have to find, then we need to find this probability of D by B complement. So probability of B intersection B complement by probability of B complement from the definition. So probability of B complement means 1 minus probability of B. And you can find probability of B from this given table, which is 0.909. And D in probability of D intersection B complement. This is probability of D intersection B complement. Means D and B complement. D means that he or she is from ethnic group 1 and B does not happen. Okay. So he or she is from group 1 and B does not happen means except B, we add this three probabilities 0.082 plus 0.106 plus 0.004. That is for O, A, and A. This is probability of D intersection B complement. This is 0.192. Then probability of D by B complement equals to 0.211.
0.21. Yes.
Yes. So next question, question number 47. Consider randomly selecting, considering this randomly selecting a student at a certain university and later denote the event that the selected individual
Yeah,
has.
that
Huh?
the Visa card, Mastercard. I think we did this.
Which part? Is
Sir, this Visa card and Mastercard question, I think we did.
okay, okay, yes, yes, but this is a different case. Okay, where we actually find actually I think intersection or union of the events A or B or C. Here you have to find this conditional probability.
Okay, sir.
Yes, this is from 2.4 and that was from 2.2, I think. So data are same. That's just we have to calculate this. Calculate and interpret the each of the following probabilities: probability of B by A, and then probability of B complement by A, and then probability of A by B, probability of A complement by B. First, you have to calculate these probabilities, and you have to interpret also this. That is, you have to write in words. What is the meaning of this? Just to use the definition. So probability of B by A means probability of A intersection B by probability of A. A intersection B is given 0.25, probability of A 0.5, 0.50. Then similarly, probability of B complement by A, probability of A intersection B complement by probability of A. Again, use this formula: probability of A intersection B complement. Probability of A intersection B complement means probability of A minus probability of A intersection B. And use the value of this probability of A and probability of A intersection B. The value is 0.5. So similarly, you can find this part C and part D. So see the last part E. Given that the selected individual has at least one card, so what is the probability that he or she has a Visa card? It is given that the selected individual has at least one card, and what is the probability that he or she has a Visa credit card? What probability you have to find? You see, yeah,
Sir, P A by B naught.
Two.
A by
B
A by
Sir, my internet got cut. Which bit are we
Sir,
doing,
A
sir?
by A union B.
yes, A by A union B.
Sir, is it 0.25?
No,
Sir, which bit, sir?
Sir,
this is question number 47. You can see question number
0.7.
47.
Okay.
Uh, 0.7.
Yes, 0.7692.
Yes, sir.
So given that the selected individual has at least one card, so at least one card means either A or B. So this is A union B. The event is A union B for at least one card. Okay. So it is given A union B. So what is the probability that he or she has a Visa credit card? So Visa card means A. So you have to find probability of A by A union B. This. Then use the formula. There is probability of A intersection A
Sir,
union B divided by
why in denominator A union B?
union B means this. It is given here. See. Given that the selected individual has at least one card. So there are two cards on A and B, the event A and B. Okay. So at least
A
one card means A
union
union B.
A
Okay,
union
sir.
B by B.
No, no. A union B, A by A union B.
Okay. Oh, because okay, yes, sir, yes.
Probability of A by B means B has already happened. Then what is the probability of A?
Okay,
Okay. So here this is given that the selected individual has at least one card. So at least one card means either A or B, that is A union B. It is given A union B. Then we have to find that he or she has a Visa card. Visa card means the event A. So you have to find A by A union B, probability of A by A union B. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then use this definition, probability of A intersection A union B by probability of A union B. Then this is how to find this A intersection A union B. So you know that if A and B are two events, then A is subset of A union B. A is subset of A union B. It's obvious. So if A is subset of A union B, then their intersection is the smaller set, that is A. A intersection A union B is A for any two events A and B. So this is probability of A by probability of A union B. Probability of A is 0.5 and probability of A union B is probability of A plus probability of B minus PA intersection B. This is 0.67692.
So can you show the previous question solution, sir?
Previous questions or previous part?
Previous part
Okay.
solution.
Yes, this one.
Can you send these notes?
I have already uploaded in Google Classroom. I
Okay,
have
sir.
already
Okay.
uploaded. Yes.
So can you show the question of this one, sir?
Yes. So I have already question number is given here. Question number 47. So you can see also the book, textbook.
Okay, sir. Sir, if the means the event has been happened and the means if there are the two values, if the event has been happened and we have to find at least, then it will be the probability of A upon probability of A union B.
You're talking
Sir,
about this last part.
yes, sir. Given that the selected individual has the at least one card.
Yes, yes. It is given that the selected individual has at least one card. So at least one card means what is the event for them? At least one card means either Visa card or credit card. So war means what? Union. We use union for war. So A
Sir, it
union B.
also yes, sir.
Yes. So it is given A union B. Then what is the probability that he or she has a Visa credit card? So Visa card means event A. So A by A union B we have to find. Because
Okay, sir.
probability of A by B means B has already happened, then what is the probability of A?
Okay, sir. Got it, sir.
Now see this question number 50. A department store sells sports shirts in three sizes: small, medium, and large. Three patterns: plain, print, and stripe, and two sleeve lengths: long and short, long sleeve length and short sleeve length. And the accompanying table, this table gives the proportions of shirts sold in the various category combination. So any chart can be identified by these three categories actually: the size, patterns, and the length. Okay, slip lengths. So there are two tables for short slip length chart and long slip length chart. Okay, and charts are in three sizes, that is small, medium, and large. For small, the event is S. For medium, the event is M, and for large, this is L. Okay. Patterns: plate, print, and stripe. So plate means PL here, even print PR, and stripe ST. Okay. Short slip and long slip chart. So there are two tables for short slip length chart and long slip length chart. For example, here the first value in the first table, that is 0.04. So this is the probability that a chart is from is this category, that is short slipped and short and played. The probability is 0.04. The chart is short slipped, short, and played. The probability is 0.04, like this. So all of you again read this question and see these two tables. These are the probability actually. These values are the probability. Okay. Now, first part is, what is the probability that the next chart sold is a medium, long sleeved, and print chart? What is the probability that the next chart sold is a medium, long sleeved, and print chart? Can you say, anyone?
0.05.
0.05.
Long sleeved, and then medium, and then print 0.05. Yes. Okay. What is the probability that the next chart sold is a medium, long sleeved, and print chart? So long sleeved mean this second table here, second table. So second table for medium and print chart. So medium and print chart, this probability is 0.05. This value, mid value 0.05. Okay. Now B, part B. What is the probability that the next sold is a medium print chart?
0.12.
0.12.
0.12.
So can you explain how it is 0.112?
Sir, both
So
of
we
them.
add the both patterned short sleeved and long sleeved
Yes.
of medium size and
Yes.
printed.
Yes. Yes, exactly. So the probability that the next sold is a medium print chart. So medium print chart is present in short sleeved and long sleeve, maybe short sleeve or long sleeve. So for short sleeved, medium print, probability is 0.07, and for long sleeved, medium and print, probability is 0.05. So probability of, so this is add these two probabilities, 0.07 plus 0.05, that is 0.12. Okay, 0.12. And see, what is the probability that the next chart sold is a short sleeve chart? Okay. Then also find what is the probability that the next chart sold is long sleeve chart. What is the probability that the next chart sold is a short sleeve chart? First find this.
So 0.52.
Sir, we have to add
0.56.
all the short sleeve pattern shirt.
Yes. So probability that the next sold is a medium, uh, is a short sleeve chart. So short sleeve chart, maybe a short, medium, or large, or plate, print, and stripe. So you have to add this all 9 combinations. Yeah, from this table, first table, short sleeve chart. Okay, 0.04 plus 0.02 up to 0.08. This probability is 0.56. Similarly, for long sleeve chart also, add this 9 combination. Second table 0.03 plus 0.02 plus 0.03 plus dot dot up to 0.08. You can find the probability. Okay. Now D, what is the probability that the size of the next shirt sold is medium?
So 0.49.
0.49. How it is 0.49?
Sir, we need to add all the six probabilities
Yes, from
from the medium row.
yes, the second row. Okay. So what is the probability that the size of the next shirt sold is medium? So medium is present in short sleeve category and long sleeve category also. For short sleeve, medium means 0.08, 0.07 and 0.12. For long sleeve, this is 0.10, 0.05, 0.07. So we have to add these six values from this second row. Okay. And next, the pattern of the next shirt sold is print. So you can add, you have to find this.
0.25.
Yes, 0.25. That is for print shirt. That is print shirt. It may be from short sleeve or long sleeve. So for short sleeve, print means this. You have to add the second column for both the short sleeve and long sleeve. So add this six values 0.02 plus 0.07 plus 0.07. Okay. And for second table 0.02, 0.05 plus 0.02. So this is the answer. 0.25.
Sir, in D question, we have to find separately or we have to add both of them?
And separately have to find.
Okay, sir.
Two question marks is there. Okay. We have to find separately. Next part E. Given that the shirt just sold was a short sleeve shirt, short sleeve plaid, okay, then what is the probability that its size was medium?
0.08.
No. I think you are many of you are doing this mistake commonly. Actually, you are finding this intersection. Okay, that is wrong. Actually, you have to find
Sir,
this
I have
conditional
one doubt.
probability because it is given that it is already happened. Okay. Given that the shirt just sold was a short sleeve plaid, it is given. Okay, then what is the probability that its size was medium? So for short sleeve plaid shirt, short sleeve and plaid,
0.53.
0.53.
Sir,
Sir,
for
how, sir?
probability of A by B means A has already happened or B has already happened?
B
I
has
got
already
con-
happened.
Okay.
So we have take B, sir, sold short sleeved plate, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, it is given. Short sleeve plaid, it is given. Then you have to find that its size is medium. Medium means M. So M by probability of M by short sleeve plaid shirt. So if you define denote this short sleeve mean SS and plaid means PL, then you have to find this probability of M by SS intersection PL. This. Okay, I denote this event. M means sold shirt is a medium. LS means long sleeved. Okay,
0.5.
SS short sleeved. PR means print and PL means plaid. So in this question, you have to find the shirt that sold was a short sleeve plaid. It is given short sleeve plaid. So short sleeve means SS and PL means it means PL. SS intersection PL. Okay. Then its size was medium. We have to find this probability that its size was medium means M. So probability of M by SS intersection PL we have to find. So this is probability of M intersection SS intersection PL divided by probability of SS intersection PL. So M intersection SS intersection PL. You have to find this. So M means medium, short sleeve, and PL means plaid. So medium, short sleeve, and plaid. So see the short sleeve table. This first table. So medium and plaid probability is 0.08. So this is probability is 0.08. Then you have to find this probability of SS intersection PL, right? So SS intersection PL, SS means short sleeved and PL means plate. So short sleeved and plate. Short sleeve table, first table, and plate means this all three values in the first row 0.04, 0.08, and 0.03, because it may be short or medium or large. So three possibilities are there. So short sleeved and plate probability is 0.04, 0.08, and 0.03. This is okay. So this is 0.533.
So I have a question.
And
So,
yes,
so in a previous question, sir, we have done means probability of B upon probability of A intersection B, no?
previous question.
No, sir, in this question means party or part B.
Okay, see, D part, it was, I think, D
Yes,
part,
sir.
yes.
So we have
Yes,
done probability of B upon probability of A intersection B, no?
E part, yes, yes.
Yes, sir. And sir, in the previous question, the visa one, we have done something like the question was same, and we were asked for the visa card, and we did for the probability of A upon probability of A union B. Why it is so, sir?
This thing, yes.
Yes, sir.
Now you have to identify the what is given and what you have to find. What event has already happened. Okay. So for this question, if you see this question, actually this is part E. It is given that the selected individual has at least one card. It is given. Okay. So at least one means what? A union B for two events. For two events A and
Okay.
B, at least one means they are union. Okay. If it is mentioned here in this question, the selected individual has both the cards, means A and B, both the cards, then you have to take A intersection B.
Okay, sir.
This is the difference. Yes. Because here it is mentioned in this question that uh, the shorts the shard just sold was a short sleeve plate. Short sleeve plate means short sleeved and plate. Okay. So and it is mentioned here and means intersection. If it is
Oh,
mentioned here in this part E that short sleeved or plate, then you have to take the union.
okay, sir.
Similarly, part F, given that the shard just sold was a medium plate, then what is the probability that it was short sleeved and long sleeved? So we have to find separately, that is one by one. First, that the shard just sold was a medium plate, then what is the probability that it was short sleeved? So medium means M, right? And plate means PL. We denote it, plate means PL. So M intersection PL it is given. M intersection PL. Then what is the probability that it was short sleeved? Short sleeved means SS. So you have to find probability of SS by M intersection PL. Probability of SS by M intersection PL. Right? And second part, that the shard just sold was a medium plate, then what is the probability that it was as long sleeved? So it is given that the shard just sold was a medium plate, means M intersection PL. And what is the probability of long sleeved? Long sleeved means LS. So you have to find probability of LS by M intersection PL. And you can easily find this. So I have already uploaded this PDF file in Google Classroom. You can find from there. And some more questions I have solved. That is question number 54, and then question number 59 here. And this question 59 is the application of Bayes theorem. You should see this question also, question number 59. Okay. And then question number 63. So all of you must go through this PDF file and see this all this question. If you find any difficulty, then you can ask in the next class. So I'm taking attendance. Roll number 101,
Yes, sir.
119,
Present, sir.
148,
Present, sir.
165, 168,
Present, sir.